hi everyone. Today's the second lesson, and well, let's get started. All right, so here's our agenda for today. We're gonna first have a greeting where we say hi to everyone. Then I want to explain. There's gonna be 2D, 3D shapes. Then Tinkercad on how to make a house.
Homework.
And then homework. It's supposed to be fun, but if you guys don't think so. Okay. Oh, oops. Okay. So, how's everyone doing? Say hi to each other.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
Okay. Next. Okay. So 2D. So, I'm just gonna. Do you guys like? What would be the corresponding 3D shape?
Hi.
Would any of you know?
Circle.
Like what would be the 3D shape for a circle?
Sphere.
Nice. Okay. Very good thought. Now, what do you think would be the corresponding one for a square?
Cube.
Now, here's a harder one. A hexagon?
Pyramid. No. Hexagon. Where's hexagon? There.
Prism.
Wait, Roger, what did you say? Sorry.
I said hexagonal prism.
Nice. Yeah, that could be one. Let's see. For a rectangle.
Rectangle.
Rectangular prism.
Yeah, it's called they call it cuboid here. Well, I call it rectangular.
Now school and stuff.
And what about one for a triangle?
Pyramid.
Yep. And
Triangular prism.
yeah. Okay. Very good. Now, do you guys all know what vertex, vertices, faces, and edges are?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm just gonna explain it to you. Let's just take this cube, for example. This is just a review. It has 8 vertexes. 1, 2, 3, 4.
The bottom ones.
5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. Then there's one over there that you can't see. And then how many edges are there?
12.
12. Yeah.
There's 4 on the top, 4 on the bottom, and 4 sticking up.
Yep. And how about faces?
6.
Okay. Very good. Now let's go to the next one.
What are vertices?
Vertices?
Yeah.
Well, I think on vertices, like if you
It's the plural form.
if you draw, oh wait, who's erasing my thing? Someone erasing my thing. Okay, never mind. So here is a cube, square. Sorry, right? That's a square, right? It's a square. Let's draw a new square. Here's our beautiful square. Okay.
It's not beautiful.
That's a good square.
It's a good one.
And then if you draw a cube right here, what do you?
Draw a flat rectangle. Well, not.
Here's your cube-ish, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So vertices would be like vertices are basically vertexes. Like there's vertices. A vertex is just this one point, and then a vertex is one point. A vertices would be more than one of these corners.
So it's the plural form vertex.
Yeah. Okay, let's go to the next one. Now, so today we're gonna build a house. Like not Not a Martian house, but a house.
3D print on Mars.
Cool. That looks big.
People, yeah, it is. So
How can you 3D print that big of a thing?
yeah, so like do you think you could ship a whole house to Mars?
No.
No.
Exactly.
Why would you ship a house to Mars with a spaceship?
Yeah.
They
so
are.
if people want to colonize Mars, well, obviously you couldn't ship a house to Mars. There would have to be, they would have to make a
Printed?
house on Mars.
They would have to make it. Wait,
Yeah.
could they like assemble the pieces there or something?
Yeah, but
Mhm.
that's very true. It's also a great idea. I actually don't know why they decided to 3D print the stuff on Mars, but like if they just if they ship the materials to Mars, it would take a lot of like rocket fuel and stuff. Whereas if they just 3D print, like they just ship the 3D printer to Mars, they could print like a bunch of houses.
Yeah,
What?
but like,
The Martian material.
do you have enough like material to print a whole house or building to be
Yeah.
exact?
So,
You need a lot of filament.
people are actually thinking about like mining the material from Mars.
What?
What? That's just weird.
Yeah. So actually, like Martian rock, I think they could like melt that and stuff, and then like use a huge 3D printer, and then basically just like lay down this egg-shaped house.
I don't think a 3D printer can be that big.
I mean,
Well,
they can,
actually,
they can like make a house like with rocks and they 3D print a bit of it.
yeah. So this is what's okay. So I actually I have 3D printed a Martian habitat before, but but basically I've watched a video on how they printed a prototype. They don't have a 3D printer. They just have a crane here and a little nozzle here.
Mm-hmm.
There's filament coming through here, and then it just squirts it out like that.
Wait, I have a question.
Yeah?
Did they like bring all of that stuff there, or like
Yeah, so
did
they
they
were doing-
actually go to Mars? I thought there wasn't any launches in the past few like years.
Oh yeah. They haven't this is just like a future plan. They haven't actually done this yet.
Oh.
But it's because if this could like actually happen, it would be very easy to, well, not easy. It would be easier to colonize Mars in case Earth ever exploded because us humans did something bad to it or something.
Like what?
Like
Polluting.
Oh.
Yeah, but how is polluting gonna make the Earth explode?
Global warming.
well, I was just exaggerating. I was gonna explain.
Or people putting dynamite in the middle because they wanted the core to be cooler. Because the inner core is more than 9,000 degrees.
Yeah.
How
So,
much dynamite do you put in there?
More than 2,000 million.
You.
so
Then who's gonna make the 2,000 million?
oh, oops. Okay. So now,
Tinkercad.
how to make a Tinkercad house. So
Ooh.
now I would like. Wait, do all of you have a piece of paper nearby?
Yeah.
And a pencil or a pen?
Yeah.
You mean like this? Oh wait, no, I'm not gonna.
Sure. Why not? I just want you to draw like a house. Like I just want you to sketch out a model on paper.
Can we just copy that?
5 minutes. I mean, sure, but okay.
Sure, but yeah. I'm gonna copy it.
Okay.
It's gonna look really bad.
Okay.
Then we can do a castle.
Rick.
Wait, so do we just sketch a house?
Yeah, just sketch a house.
Or we gonna have
But like, just have it be like a quick sketch.
Okay. All I'm doing is I'm getting the outline of it first.
A notebook.
I'm copying.
You look so satisfied. Done.
Finished.
Okay. Is everyone done with their house?
Yeah, I made a really bad sketch of it.
I was done with my house way earlier.
Is it like
That.
Okay.
I can't see.
Everyone say when they're done. I'm still working on mine, but
I'm done.
I'm done.
I did this.
How much design should I make?
it doesn't
I mean,
matter too advanced.
If the other people are not done, I mean, I feel like you can make more detail to it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna draw Mars.
I'm
You're gonna draw
drawing
an egg
bushes.
thing on Mars.
I'm drawing bushes.
Why do they have to make the houses look like eggs or something?
What egg?
Because it's
What's
easier
your
to
house,
3D print
Eric?
that. It's Peter. It's easier to 3D print it like that.
What's your house, Eric?
My house. Oh, I'll show you guys.
Hang out space.
Are you putting a lot of detail?
How about yours, Roger?
Okay. So Alan, could you please be quiet?
Okay.
Right now, I think I am done with my sketch. You guys don't need to add too much detail. So if you guys are done, just tell me.
I'm done.
I think that's okay.
I'm done.
No, they can't design windows because then the air.
Huh?
Can they design windows or something?
No,
Wait, guys, it doesn't have to be like super duper fancy or stuff.
no, you can't draw the windows because if you put in air, then you're gonna lose all the oxygen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alex, you can do separate research on that later.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Alan, stop.
What?
Hey Siri, Eric, design windows in a hotel in Mars.
Okay, is everyone good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
What is part?
I'm just gonna show you guys my drawing. It's not the best, but
That's
It's good.
That's so good.
okay. It's just a sketch.
How do you create the part?
Would everyone like to show theirs?
Yeah.
Okay. I finished the earliest. Dun,
Okay.
dun, dun, dun.
Very nice. I see yours, Tiger.
Regular.
Nice, Alan. Question mark. Cool. I don't know. Peter, could you please show me yours? Okay. Very nice. Thank you. Now we're gonna go design on Tinkercad.
Uh-oh.
I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna do it with you guys. So what I'm gonna do right now is create new design.
Big pink. Create.
Create new design. Yep. Well, go to tinkercad.com and sign in and everything.
Where's create new design?
Is everyone signed into Tinkercad?
Yeah, I am.
But the screen share's blocking it.
I'm called Incredible Bowo Go Go.
Okay. So
There,
on
did
new
it.
design, click on new design and get onto your new design. Yep.
Can't.
Yeah, where should I put the board?
Okay. Oh yeah. Now I'm gonna do create a new design.
It looks so blue when you put it in the front.
Yeah.
Just do this. I'll just.
So, is everyone on Tinkercad?
Yeah.
Okay.
Not yet.
No, okay.
Okay, yeah.
If you guys need your sign-in information, sorry.
I'm going to my parents.
The classroom code is SV.
Wait, I'm not there yet.
Got a good.
Join your class. Wait, what is it again?
S.
Oh.
S.
I'm
Control S. Control Shift H. Control Shift H. Control Shift V.
Wait, what is it again?
Shift Control
SB61.
SB61.
V.
Yeah. I wrote 3B61. Right. SB61. SB61. And then
9BIH.
B.
I'm in. Logged in.
10. That's it?
And then X4B3.
Guys, who are the question marks?
4B.
I think it's Alex.
Good
Is it?
night.
Or
Mom.
Other than the nickname should be, yeah.
It says we could not find that class. Please try again. Ask the teacher if you need help.
Okay. Peter, can you see the shared screen?
Wait, I'm gonna go back.
Because it's on the shared screen. Shared screen.
Oh.
I'm just telling him I'm on it.
Just like I was on Google Chrome, so like it covered the whole sheet. Covered the whole sheet, so I couldn't see.
Alex, can you please be quiet?
Oh.
I'm gonna try again.
Okay.
Wait, what's the passcode again?
S V
S V 619
BIH.
BIH.
No, BIH.
And then
4
X4.
X for what?
B3. B3.
B3.
I'm gonna try it again. Type your nickname.
Yeah, okay.
Peter
PETER.
Okay.
It's only Peter, I thought.
Yeah, okay. So,
Yay.
so we have 7 minutes remaining in our meeting. Well, and then after 7 minutes, just go to your inbox. I think I sent it to your parents or you. And just click on the link, and then we can start class again, okay? So right now,
Use design.
yep, and then name it house. Well, I'm gonna name it house because it's a house.
Yeah, I'm gonna name it house.
Mine says incredible truck.
I'm gonna name it 3D house or something.
Yeah.
Peter's design or something. I don't know.
Sure, why not?
Wait, how do you name it?
Name it. Let's see.
Okay. Shift HOUSE. House, okay.
I'll do 3D house.
I did Bubble, Muggle, Duke, and Suggle.
What?
Okay,
We're only at Marmer. There, I named it 3D house.
Okay, very nice, everyone. So now I am just going to establish the basic of the walls of the house. Because if you have a house, you want walls, right?
Yeah, but how do you do that?
So I'm gonna take a cube
Yeah.
and I'm just gonna stretch it into a rectangular prism. And then I'm gonna take another cube, but a cube called with one that's like grayish. And when you click on it, you can see you could either have a solid or a hole. If you have it as a hole, it will put a hole through your shape. So I want my walls to be 2 millimeters thick. So I'm just gonna elevate it 2 millimeters because I also want a 2 millimeter floor.
So what are we supposed to do? Make our own house?
Yeah, but I'm just gonna help you guys with it by also doing it.
Wait, so we're not gonna do the same thing as you?
No, yeah, well, that depends. You can do whatever you want. With the house. I'm just gonna show you guys how you do a basic house.
I'm making it good.
You guys, okay. So I'm just gonna elevate it this way. Like elevate it along the z-axis. And then
What?
I'm
What
gonna
is
make
that?
it bigger along the z-axis.
What is that?
Alan, is that you?
Yeah.
The z-axis is like the thing that goes up and down.
Okay.
X-axis, Y-axis, Z.
Yep. So now, can you guys see my screen?
Yes.
Like, if you guys go into Tinkercad, can you guys still see my screen?
I mean, I still can see your screen.
Okay.
My house is big.
So, I'm just gonna make it like this. I'm gonna group it. If you group it, it's gonna perform the operation of a whole.
Can I make the inside of my house?
Sure. Why not? I'm just gonna first walk you through on how to make a wall. So you basically take a cube, make it bigger. You take another cube, and then you can also make it bigger, but make it a bit smaller than your whole thing.
Wait, what?
So do you see what I have done here?
Wait, why don't you just make it hollow?
That's what I'm doing right now. Alex, that's what I'm doing right now.
No, but like, why can't you just press the button hole?
Because if you press hole on here, it becomes like that.
But then how does it print?
It doesn't. A hole is used for cutting.
Oh.
It's a cutting operation. So I'm just gonna put the hole, the little hole shape in the middle of my,
Wait, how did you do that?
You can drag the shapes.
Oh.
Okay, now I've also raised my this shape up by a bit because I want it to have a floor. So I raised it up a bit so it wouldn't cut through the whole shape, only a part of it. Now,
There, like that.
select both of them by using my trackpad. And
How do you turn like the shapes?
what do you mean? How do I turn the shapes?
Like, how do you make it turn a different way?
The whole work plane or just the shape?
Yeah, there's the same shape.
There's actually these move buttons. Roger, can you see my screen?
Yeah.
There's these move buttons right here. You can move it like that.
I can't see them.
Okay, so we have a thing right here, right? Do you see here? I think it'll be easier if it's
Yeah.
like this. Do you see this? This part?
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, you can use that and then twist your shape.
Wait, but how do you cut
How
it?
can you make it turn around?
You just turn your mouse like this.
How do you cut it, though?
You press group. You select both of these, like so, with your,
Group? Oh, yeah, it does.
and then if you group it, it just cuts into your shape like that.
Yay, now I have a little complete house. Well, at least a rectangle.
Yeah. Now everyone has their little kind of box thing, right?
Yeah,
Everyone
got
does?
it all done.
But I don't
I've
have
always-
it.
Me neither.
No,
I made the floor. I did not make the box. I did not make the walls yet.
Okay, so does everyone know how to make the walls and stuff?
Yeah,
Yeah, you can just spread the out and then you can make a huge.
Yeah, you could do that, or you could just hollow out a box.
How do you just hollow out one?
You use the hole tool. You have a box right here, right?
Yeah.
You could take another box,
Yeah.
turn the setting to a hole, make it a bit. I'm gonna make that a bit smaller, and then lift that up a bit. And then if I put that inside there, and then just group both of them, you can see there's a little,
yeah.
Does everyone see that?
Yeah.
A box, but I don't know how big it is.
Yeah, it doesn't. It's honestly however big you want your own house to be.
My house is going to be ginormous.
Okay, whatever you say.
Good.
Okay, honey.
And don't call me honey.
Okay.
Okay.
So I'm just. Is everyone good?
No.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm good boy. That's why I'm good.
Alan, please stop. I will mute you. Max, remember the link that I sent you? Click on it.
I made the inside of my house, but how can I make a box that is not gonna cover the inside?
Sorry, Roger. What did you say?
How can I make a box that doesn't cover the inside? But if I use a hole, then it's gonna cut the whole inside.
Well, then you can lift your whole shape inside. You can lift your hole.
Oh my God. Look
Just
at
lift it up. You
him.
can lift it up. Or if you think this is easier, you could just make 4 walls and then just combine them together.
Okay, I don't even know.
Wait, when you're combining them together, don't you have to like turn like the box and then
No, Peter, this is what you do. Do you see this? You can. Okay, thank you, Alan. Can you go? Okay. So, Peter,
yeah.
what you do? You press down, and then you move your trackpad. And then, do you see that little red box right there?
Yeah.
You can just let go, and it'll select that shape. All the shapes within that box.
Okay, I'm done with that.
Alan, be quiet.
But I am.
Fine, Alan, you get special privileges. Watch this, ready?
Why does Alan get special privileges?
Oh, they're not good special privileges.
Ooh.
I heard Alan say hey or something.
Nope.
It might be. I'm making my walls. Oh, oh, oh.
Yeah, I don't get why that's a big deal.
Because I'm still making my house.
Oh. So, are all your walls and stuff ready?
I made all my inside, but I'm not finished with my walls.
Mm-hmm. So, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna add a roof. Is that okay? Can I add a roof now?
Okay.
So, if I put the roof down right here, I have to elevate it, and I'm lazy and I don't want to do that. What I can do, I can actually press W to use the, or like, do you see the work plane thing right here?
Yes.
Huh?
It, and then it'll let you shift your work plane. So you can move it, and then I'm gonna move it up there on the top
Wait.
of the little box.
Can you just I made the whole inside already.
Yeah.
It's a couch, video.
So I'm just gonna leave it like that, okay? Now I've moved the work
Okay.
plane
Oh.
of this cube. Simply just, by dragging the work plane tool on top of the surface right here, and then letting go. The work plane tool is it's up here. You see where my mouse is?
Yeah.
Yep.
I'm just making walls.
Okay, great. So after I put it up there, I can just put my roof and drop it down. Now you see it doesn't go onto the bottom. It goes onto the bottom of the work plane.
Okay.
That's why the work plane tool is very useful. So I'm just gonna stretch the roof out and then drag it up a bit. And then I'm gonna select both of the shapes and then click on the align thing right here, or click on L for the keyboard shortcut.
I'm not there yet, just telling you.
Okay.
I made my.
Now?
Can I just place my huge roof on my house?
Yeah, just place it on your house. Just place it like on top of your house. But if you want to make it like perfect.
Yeah, I made it like spread out.
Yeah. But if you want to make it perfect in a very fast way, do you guys see my mouse right here? Can you guys look at my mouse?
Yeah.
You can drag it again, select both of these, click on the align tool, or click on L for the keyboard shortcut. And then you can just align it like that. How easy is that?
Ooh, mine is perfect.
Yeah.
Finished putting on my roof. What does it look like? Oh, not completely on.
Okay, now I can just group those. That's good. And then I want my work plane to go back to normal, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I can click the W key again. And just click down onto the regular work plane. And here is our house.
Woohoo.
But you guys have a problem with this house? It's a beautiful house, but I want to go in.
I already did my inside.
What do I do? If I want to go into my house, what should I make?
I made a sofa, I made an art statue, I made everything.
Oh, cool. But Roger, can you go into your house?
Yeah. I can just plus it.
Yeah, okay.
But it's gonna be super hard to
I want to go into my house. So should I make a door?
Okay.
Should I?
Yeah.
Okay. So that's what I'm gonna do right now.
But how do I make a door?
Yeah.
So that's what I'm showing you guys right now. So drag a box, like a whole box, the whole box, and then shape it to the size of a door roughly. and then lift it up a few millimeters. And then after that, you can just use the arrow keys to put it in. Just click on the arrow keys. And if you want it to be exact, you could just, do you see the snap grid thing on the bottom?
Wait, how do I share my screen?
Well, oh, I wasn't sharing my screen. That's why you guys didn't understand. Okay. Sorry, guys. This will be easier. Okay. Can you guys see this right now?
Wow, that looks so nice.
No, like, do you guys see the roof?
Mm-hmm.
Like, is this what you guys have right now?
Yeah.
Not exactly.
I have almost exactly same thing with the inside.
Okay, wait, so Peter, what do you have?
Oh, I don't know.
Okay. So, if you want, I'll be posting this video on YouTube afterwards. So if you didn't
Yes.
understand anything, you just rewatch this part, okay?
Okay.
So,
Eric, listen to me.
Roger, what?
I said you listen to me.
Sorry, what did you say?
I said you listen to me.
Oh, yeah. Okay. So now I'm gonna make my house around the size of a door. Shrink it.
Wait, how do I make a hole? Oh, it's already a hole.
Now you can use the arrow keys to move your cube that's going to cut into your house around. I'm gonna move it into my house. Select both of the shapes with my mouse.
My door's flat.
And then click group, and then it'll cut into my house.
It will.
Yeah.
Wait, group? Where's group?
Group, the group button's right here.
Huh?
If
Which
you
one?
select both of these shapes, you can click group up here, right here.
I can't. Oh,
Control G.
wait, what? So group?
Yeah. Group is Control G.
I can't press it.
Yeah, because Roger, I think you only have one shape. You need a cube that will cut into your shape.
Mine is a hole.
Yeah, I know. That's what a hole does.
Mm-hmm.
So right now, you select both of the shapes. And then click on the group thing.
Oh, select both of them?
Yeah, select both of them. And then you could group it. Because there's an operation to be done.
And I don't know the path.
Oh, I get it.
So now you have a door, right?
Wait, how do I click both of them at the same time?
Roger, you can actually, here, Roger, look at this, ready? Click on one, Roger, click on one.
Yes.
Hold down the shift key, press down the shift
Mm-hmm.
on your computer. And then click on the other shape.
Group.
And then now click on
And
group.
mine's cut in.
Okay, now you should have something like this.
Yep, I do.
Okay. Now.
I already did my inside.
Yep. Very nice.
Oh.
So the house needs windows, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you could just take the scribble tool. Do you see it in the basic shapes?
My door's floating. Yeah, what?
Do you see the scribble tool right here?
Yeah.
Just drop it onto your work plane.
Wait. My work.
And then you could draw your window.
Wait, what just happened?
You do get into something like this that I have.
Yeah.
Yeah, so now you can draw on it. I'm just gonna draw a window right here.
How do you know when it's the window?
What?
Like, how do you know where the window is gonna be?
Well, what do you mean where the window is? Oh, you can move the window later.
Oh.
Right now, I'm just gonna draw the window. Move that down a bit. Move that across.
Do I need to draw a window?
No, you don't need a window in your house. You could decorate it in different ways. So now I'm just gonna scale that down by holding the shift key. Scale that down evenly by holding down the shift key. Now I have this window right here.
Cool.
So what I do now, well, I'm gonna flip it 90 degrees so it's straight up. There we go. And then I'm gonna elevate it by using the little black cone up here. And now I can just move it with my arrow keys.
Yeah.
And then
Great.
I want more than one window. So I'm just gonna click duplicate. And then I have 2 now.
Okay.
Yay, I have 2 windows on my house.
Ribble. Wait. Oh, there.
And then I'm gonna select all of that. And then make it a multicolored group. So now I still have my blue windows. So it's a solid shape, but it's multicolored.
Wait. I'm not really gonna do the window.
Yeah, you don't have to do the windows. It's completely your choice.
What time is it?
It is almost 3 o'clock.
I'm just using holes to cut on the windows.
Oh, that's very good. But there is a house. Now, if you want to find decorations, but for today's time, because we're almost running out of time, I'm just gonna leave my house like this. If you guys don't really understand it, I will have office hours where you could contact. But just write emails to me, just saying that like, oh, can I talk to you at like Tuesday, Thursday, or something? Okay. If you have any questions.
Thank you.
But wait, I'm not done yet. Okay. So well, I'm just gonna get out of Tinkercad right now. And I'm gonna last slide. Well, last bit of okay, so could everyone get off Tinkercad?
Aye, Captain.
Okay. Yeah. So for homework this week,
Make your own airplane or jet.
yeah. So next week we'll be making a jet.
Wow.
That looks so hard.
Yeah. Well, it's not gonna be like this specific and stuff because it's actually it's not really that hard. It's just gonna take a bunch of time if you want to design a very sophisticated thing.
Sweet son, will see.
Alex, could you please be quiet? What I want you guys to do is to like just make your own jet. Like just sketch it out on a piece of paper or something.
Okay.
Just design it. Well, you don't have. Well, just like design a bit of it. Kind of. Like it doesn't need to be so doesn't need to be so like sophisticated. You can just have it be like a cylinder. And then like yeah. Cylinder with a cone on top and then a rectangle for the wings. That could
Okay.
and if you guys have any questions, I could answer it.